वाह! थैंक यू सो मच वेंकी। आपसे यही उम्मीद थी, रफ़ी साहब का इतना लाजवाब गीत बिना किसी रिदम के, और वाह! मज़ा आ गया। सो लेट्स मूव ओवर टू यस कल्पना, वी वुड लाइक यू टू ओह! अनिरुद्धा भी है। वेलकम अनिरुद्धा, बहुत-बहुत आपका स्वागत है हमारे साथ।
हेलो।
वेलकम। सो एक बार मैं कल्पना के पास चलती हूँ about this book, Manik Premchand's book, and Venki's viewpoint here.
Sangeeta, I
Yes,
think
Kalpana?
Manik ji, I think we have a lot of serendipity, remember?
Yes.
2007 की बात है, एक प्रोग्राम था, फिर वही शाम, जिसे मैं बैक स्टेज मीडिया के साथ मैनेज कर रही थी, और संगीता वहाँ पे एंकरिंग कर रही थी, एंड मानिक जी वाज वन ऑफ द स्पीकर्स, और मैं इनमें से किसी को नहीं जानती थी तब। I was doing my pure corporate job then, and then cut to 2017. I get to meet Manik ji through a friend, and when this thing came, romancing the song के बारे में जब मुझे अभी कैंडी ने बताया सुबह कि this is the book you guys are discussing, I mean, it was like, coming to a full circle, because romancing the song के through I got to know Manik ji, Lata ji, and the group they run, a very, very close knit, very niche group, and I'm privileged to be a part of that. And one thing about Manik sir is his writing is very academic and very cerebral. So what happens is, when you're reading you imbibe that as a part of your आप curriculum देखने लगते हो, and that's a very interesting take on his writing. वो भी लता जी भी दोनों, the way they write, एक the group that I'm talking about, there also it's never about just pasting a song. It is about you discussing why you like the song or something that has touched you from the song. Otherwise YouTube link तो हर जगह available है. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this कि अगर मुझे एक ऑथर का औहदा, भले ही वो छोटा सा ही हो, लेकिन वो जो दिया है वो मानिक सर की वजह से मिला है, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन प्रिविलेज्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ वन ऑफ द co-authors of Guide the book, the film perspectives, and Romancing the Song is the first book which I read as a film music book. And then I said, by God, I mean, it might not be very fancy, but it's filled with information, it's filled with analysis, and the way he looks at songs, and he takes his music very seriously, he takes his writing very seriously, and उनके लिए हर गाना और हर फिल्म पर्सनालिटी एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, which shows very clearly through his writing. So I'm glad I get a chance. So we have Sharvari in the audience, and Sharvari is a part of that group. And unfortunately, we have, my mistake. I got the information quite late, so I should have sent it to the group, and I'm sure many people would have joined from that group. But never mind. I'm sure Sharvari will take it forward. And next time, whenever we are discussing any book of Manik ji, we'll definitely have more people from the group joining in. Thank you so much, Venki. Very well explained. And yes, you've read the book with its academic
Thank you.
structure. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Kalpana. Thank you so much. We have Anirudh Bhattacharya, the author of the book on Basu Chatterjee. So we are really, really honored to have you. दादा, अपने साथ आपको पाकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. नमस्कार एंड बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. सो अब आप यहाँ पर हैं ही हैं, ऑन स्टेज हैं, तो हम सब चाहते हैं कि आप अब मतलब सेंटर स्टेज लेकर और आप अपनी बात हम सब लोगों के साथ शेयर करें. आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Well, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
This is the most difficult part. I was always that I've faced in an interview. Ah, I have given so many, I don't have count, but say something about yourself. That is
Uh,
something I'm never sure about.
आप सबसे पहले तो यहाँ है ये है आपकी बुक का शोकेस किया निकेतन राव ने
Thank you so
और
much.
उन्होंने पढ़ा तो या आप मतलब आप जनरली हमको बताइए अबाउट द बुक और वट एवर योर लाइक टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस
Look,
हम लोग जो
actually,
कर
I
रहे
have.
हैं मतलब आपका आशीर्वाद मिलेगा तो
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. Actually, I have 6 books. Okay, so five books are mainly geared on music. The you might have heard of them. Uh, a musical biography of Rahul Dev Burman,
जी
also a musical bio of his father, Sachin Dev Burman.
जी
One book named Gata Rahe Mera Dil, 50 songs, right? And the fourth book is it's not a musical bio, but a normal bio of Kishore Kumar. Basu Chatterjee is my fifth book, and recently a book came up. It's about an album of Lata Mangeshkar. That's all about my literary pretension. I do not claim to be a good writer or whatever, but I can only say that I can try. I try.
जी
हेलो।
आप कोशिश करें जी ये तो था आपकी बासु चटर्जी वाली बुक के बारे में तो ये हो गया उतनी सारी बुक्स आपने लिखी हैं को ऑथर भी की हैं लिखी हैं तो उनके बारे में भी हमको अभी पढ़ना है एंड कोशिश करेंगे कि हम उनको सभी बुक्स को पढ़ सके सो थैंक यू सो मच ओ निकेतन इज हियर निकेतन
हेलो दादा, अनिरुद्ध दादा। Yeah.
Niketan, okay, you're from Singapore right now.
Yes, yes. Calling from speaking from Singapore right now.
I think you've lost quite some hair.
Yes, that's true.
Also gained weight, I believe.
But yeah, that's right. Yes, but just to that's Anirudh Dada always talks about my looks, whenever we meet. But anyway, this is I worked with him on how many programs? I think all the 4 programs, right?
I
In
think so.
we've
Yes.
had in Singapore.
Mm.
So yeah, so I think this time I finished reading your book and I decided to showcase it. So I hope you liked it. By the way, just one small point, I wanted to give you the rating for this book, which I
Mhm.
forgot actually to mention, and that is 9 out of 10 stars. I'm giving you.
वाओ
I would be thankful if you could kindly do a review on Amazon. I said, "Ah,
Okay, I think I
the
have
reviews I
written
वाओ
it.
never
I may
asked.
not have done, but let me do a review on Amazon. Yeah. But I mean, the
In fact,
detailing
in
of this
my
book was,
opinion,
I think, that is what I mentioned. If you, I don't know if you came when I was talking about your book, but,
no,
oh, sorry, but,
no, not
yeah,
there.
but actually, I mentioned the amount of detailing. It gives you the feeling of actually being there, in with Basuda shooting the whole movie, doing all the pains and right, as I said, right from ideation to release. I think that is what is the highlight of the book, which I found. I think right down to you got even the theaters of the movies where the movies were released.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Release dates,
सो
Yes, you got everything in that.
premiere
That's what.
shows, how the films were made, especially
Correct.
Sara Akash. Now, let me tell you something. Rakesh Pandey, he passed away recently, right?
Yes.
Now, the only three living members from the Sara Akash cast
Hmm.
were, uh, like right now, like Rakesh Pandey is no more.
Yeah.
Rakesh Pandey, Madhuchanda Chakravarti, Nandita Thakur. So, like finding like, them out and then reaching to them was itself a challenge. Especially Madhuchanda Chakravarti, she's a complete recluse. Like it took me more than 5 years. So
Wow.
in that respect,
Wow.
I can claim, okay, with like lot of guts. So yes, that's an achievement because there was a time when she said, "Aniruddha, I do not speak to anybody else, only to you." I'm honored, madam. But again, she has become a complete recluse. So like, that is
Oh,
sad part. She stays in Vashi. She's a
Oh.
widow, does not have children.
okay.
So, you know, like the ironies of life. And, Nandita Thakur is also not well. I am
Oh,
in touch with her daughter. All of them are like nearing 80. So,
yeah.
We have, thank you, Dada. We have Candy Deloni who would like to ask something.
Hi,
Candy, please show
thank
yourself.
you.
Hi.
Hi,
is this
welcome,
Candy?
Anirudh ji. Yeah, we have not met after Singapore, but yeah, I was the one who danced on stage for winning your R.D. Burman book, and the only
Yeah,
one who asked could
2016.
answer your question.
Yeah, I remember that.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that President's Award. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, congrats.
yes,
Thank
I
you.
have the pleasure of doing the book on by Gulzar Saab on RD. So let's see where we go with that. It's an honor, and thank you for joining us. Thank you, Kalpana and Shankar, for bringing on Anirudh ji, because when we have these book showcases and appreciations, it's to have this kind of an interaction. If you don't get a previous invite, it's all right, but you joined us of your own accord. That is a great thing for us, and
See,
thank you so much.
actually, I had no clue. Ajay Seth suddenly sent me a YouTube link, so I thought it would be a song. So I just clicked on it, and then I saw this
No,
happening.
so we will keep you posted of these. If you it interests you for other authors, feel free to join whenever. And
Sure.
So,
it's an honor. Thank you so much. And we are
Thank
all
you so much.
Nostalgia members, so we invite R4 non-R4 people. Please join us. You who have not experienced Nostalgia, you're seeing what is going on the show. Please do join us, and you will enjoy the retro music and the musically showcase, which happens post 90 and 85 songs. So yes, you have both the founders here, Shankar Iyer, who is not yet spoken on Venki's book. We welcome you on stage, and I'm
Has he
going
gone
backstage.
bald? Has Shankar Iyer gone bald? He's very
No,
No,
tall.
no,
this is
he's
a
very
hat.
much good
This is a
looking.
hat. This is a hat. तो शायद clear
That's his
visibility
signature hat now.
नहीं होगी. हाँ, visibility थोड़ी clear नहीं होगी because मैंने blur किया नहीं था. Welcome all.
Shankar, would you like to give us a few thoughts on Venki's
Yeah,
book
are you
as
all able
well
to hear
before?
me? Are you all able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Very
yes,
much.
I'm
Very
going.
much.
मैं actually जैसे कल्पना ने पहले किताब के ऊपर बात कही कि कुछ पहले पॉइंट्स डिस्कस हो चुके थे, लेकिन माणिक की किताब को लेकर मैंने जब इनिशियली पढ़ा, नॉट रियली इन डिटेल टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट अच्छे खासे चैप्टर्स पढ़े, तो आई थिंक व्हाट स्ट्रक मी अबाउट हिज बुक वाज focus on some technicality of the lyrics. Like I remember, Venki will correct me, रुबाइज क्या होते हैं या नज़म्स क्या होते हैं, गजल्स क्या
बिल्कुल.
होते हैं, कैसे लिखे जाते हैं और क्या उनमें एक खूबी है, वो बहुत सालों पहले की बात है, तो मुझे तब अंदाजा थोड़ा सा आने लगा कि इनके स्ट्रक्चर्स कैसे कैसे अलग हैं. और दूसरी बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी माणिक की किताब को लेकर, वो ये है कि पीप इनटू सम लेसर हर्ड नेम्स, शायर्स, गीतकार एंड लिरिसिस्ट, जैसे आह सीतापुरी, इनका नाम कोई नहीं सुनता, आगा कश्मीरी, इनका भी नाम कोई सुनता नहीं, जीएस नेपाली उस जमाने में सुने हुए नामों में से नहीं थे, गोपाल सिंह नेपाली. एंड उसमें इट एक्चुअली अराउज द क्यूरियोसिटी कि क्या करते हैं, और सिचुएशंस के लिए जो एक्सप्लेन किया उन्होंने कुछ कुछ गानों को लेकर, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात थी. आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर द सॉन्ग सिचुएशंस पर से, बट डेफिनेटली फॉर मी टेकअवेज वर द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ राइटिंग. एंड दूसरी बात तो थी कि इवन नेम्स लाइक अनजान, उनके बारे में भी शायद ज्यादा अदर देन टिपिकल 70s एंड 80s सॉन्ग्स जो जिक्र होता है, शायद उसके पहले भी अनजान साहब का काम रहा, उसका जिक्र उतना नहीं होता है. दो आर द एरियाज व्हिच आई एक्चुअली लाइक्ड इन रोमांसिंग द सॉन्ग. ऑब्वियसली वेंकी के रिव्यू के बाद मुझे जाकर फिर से और क्लोजली देखना होगा, पढ़ना होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी एज वेल एंड आस्किंग माय
Thank you
व्यूज.
so much, Shankar. Thank you, all our presenters and guests, esteemed guests. So, बाकी सब लोगों को मैं ये याद दिला देती हूँ
अभी
कि
अभी
हमारा
संगीता जी,
फर्स्ट
अभी
yes
क्या
Candy?
किया जाए? We are a little behind time. Do you still want the
Yes,
next
we
book?
are.
Okay.
So, yeah, we can go ahead. It's a weekend. People who have joined us, they may enjoy it if they have logged in from their mobile phones. They can always, have their food. And if they're sitting at home, they can watch us and listen to us also. So